my life is fucking over.
You don't know who you're dealing with. I'm a dead man.
Get the fuck away from me!
Late that night, deputies were dispatched to a crash involving a single vehicle that struck two parked cars. When officers made contact with the driver, they observed signs of impairment and placed him under arrest for DUI.
I was just trying to calm him down.
Okay, so what's going on?
I was just trying to calm him down.
Okay.
And make him not leave because he was trying to run.
And clearly I've been drinking.
Yeah.
And I ran into these cars.
Okay. Do you need medical attention, sir?
No, I do not.
Okay.
But my life is fucking over.
Okay. All right.
I wouldn't go that far.
I do.
Okay.
You do not need medical attention, correct?
I do not. But as you will see, I am a CDL driver.
Okay.
And like I said, my life's fucking over.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
More than I need to.
Okay. Where are you coming? Are you on your way home? Is that what happened?
No.
Okay.
Nobody else is involved. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So where were you drinking at?
Control 5, 173, can you check one?
All right, sir. I need you to step out of the vehicle here.
I'm calling lawyer.
Okay.
Just say lawyer.
Last phonetically, Frank Ocean, George Lincoln Edward, 1st of March, Mary Adam Robert Charles, 1970, 912.
No, lawyer.
All right.
So,
I'll do this at my point.
So turn around for me, sir.
yeah, you're under arrest.
Yes, thank you.
Don't put your hand in your pocket.
Keep it
No,
out of your
you
hand.
doing?
my wallet.
No, drop it.
All right. You might need to.
He was taken to a facility for evidentiary breath testing.
We're gonna go into the scale house here. We're gonna sit down, we're gonna take a test, okay? If you're cooperative with me and you're cool with me, I'll take you out of handcuffs. If not, you're gonna stay in handcuffs the whole time. You understand? Alright, go ahead and take a step out.
Hey, man. Have I been just...
Got it?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll take you out of handcuffs, you're gonna take a seat on that bench there, okay?
Pardon?
I'm gonna take you out of handcuffs, you can take a seat on the bench there. You're okay, you can put your hands down.
No, I'm not. No, okay. Witness.
What's
It's
this?
for your safety.
Well, you promise you're not gonna hurt me?
I'm promising.
Oh.
I'll put my hands on my head.
Okay, well, as long as you say you're not gonna hurt me, like we're good here. If you're worried, you think you're gonna hurt me, I'm just gonna put you back in handcuffs. All right. You're not gonna hurt me. You're good.
We're good.
Okay, you can keep your hands down. You're all right. Or not. If you want to be uncomfortable, that's fine.
You don't know who I'm dealing with. You don't know who you're dealing with.
That's true. So are you going to hurt me?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Well, I trust you.
All right.
You said you wanted to talk to a lawyer. Do you have one in mind, or
Do I not?
no? Like, do you have a specific
I do
lawyer?
not have a
Okay.
lawyer. I'm just saying lawyer.
Okay.
Maybe I'll make it through the night. I don't know.
It is 23:40. Mark, you're going to make it through the night. All right. This isn't as big a deal as you think it is. It's a mystery.
No. You have no idea.
Okay. Go ahead and open your mouth. I'm going to check in your mouth. Is there anything inside you that's not put there by a doctor or dentist?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, no idea. My life's fucking over.
Why do you say that?
You keep saying, look at my ID. I'm a CDL driver.
Okay.
So basically, my life's fucking over. Can't make a living.
Doesn't immediately mean that your life is over, Mark.
It is
People
over.
are.
I'm done.
I have arrested CDL drivers before who have been able to turn around and make it through.
I'm fucking done.
Do you want to call another lawyer? Yes or no?
How many lawyers do I have that option?
There's 14 on this list.
Alright, well.
All right. Well, yes. All right. Well, no.
Sure.
Sure. Okay.
I'm honestly, what's the matter? Like I said, I'm fucking done.
All right. We're just gonna.
I'm a dead man. You're talking to dead man.
You're not a dead man, Mark.
Yes, I am a dead man. Well, I'm not making it through tonight. What fucking time is it?
It's midnight.
Thank you.
So are you gonna kill yourself, Mark?
Who knows?
Probably the only person would be you.
Yeah,
So
that's correct. Like I said, I keep telling you, I'm fucking done.
is there somebody I can call for you to talk to?
Fuck no. We're good. You know what's crazy? It's just you and me in this fucking room.
It's just you and me in this room, but this is a
Yes.
police station. There's plenty of
Yes.
troopers here.
Are there?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Did you not see me talking to the trooper when we first pulled up?
How many people are here in the room?
Are you trying to make threatening?
Fuck no.
No?
No.
Okay, and why are you saying things like that?
I don't know.
Okay, go ahead and stand up. Turn around, face away from me.
Sure. Are you sure?
Yeah, turn around, face away from me right now.
Are you fucking sure?
Boy, 73, I'm fighting with one.
Sure.
Give me the air, he's reaching for my gun. Mark, you're gonna get fucking shot!
Yeah. Yeah. That's what I want.
Get shot! Mark! Mark, get the fuck away from me! Get the fuck away from me, Mark!
I'm not looking to shoot you.
Mark!
During the struggle, the deputy's body cam became deactivated. When the body cam was reactivated, the man is seen on the ground in handcuffs, appearing to have sustained stab wounds. According to statements released by the sheriff's office, the deputy reported that the suspect attempted to take his firearm during the altercation. The incident remains under investigation by Washington's Office of Independent Investigations, as required by state law.
Gloves, chest seals. Did that get out over there?
I don't know. I didn't hear it.
Boy 73, did you copy my traffic? Keep the air for me. I'm not gonna let you die, Mark. I'm not gonna let you die, Mark. You're gonna be okay, man.
No, please, let me go. I'm done.
You're gonna be okay, Mark. You're gonna be okay. Look, man, you're not even bleeding that bad.
Lay on my son. Please.
Yeah. Let's get you on your side. Can you breathe a little better?
Right, he's not at 5.
Boy 73, can you confirm your location? I'm sorry, I had you.
I'm on the Scale House I-5, yes.
Alright, we're a minute, hour less. 10-11-097. 6-18, alright.
It's code 4 for Maddox when they get it.
Have footage or a story the world should see? Share it with us. Have a tip or insight? Drop it in the comments. Every detail matters.